Ayasofya-Westermoskee is located in the heart of Amsterdam and is one of the rare works of art that the Netherlands owns. The mosque, which will become one of the most aesthetic and unique mosques in Europe, is built on an area of 1,114 square meters. This site consists of a prayer room and facility area of 796 square meters and 328 square meters respectively. The prayer room has a capacity for about 780 Muslims to pray. The mosque has a 42-meter long minaret and a main dome at a height of 25 meters. The front has 7 domes and the canal side has 9 domes. In the corners there are 4 semi-domes. The Pearl of Amsterdam is built in the Amsterdam School style, but is inspired by Ottoman architecture and therefore has 10 bird palaces in the northeastern facade, especially for the birds.